Welcome to this tutorial on how to retrieve a RTMP link from the AirHub Drone Operation Center. To get started, open the AirHub Drone Operation Center and navigate to your library and select Drones. Choose the drone you wish to use. If you don't have a drone set up yet, simply create a new one by clicking the New button in the header. In our case, we've selected the DJI Mavic 3. In the drone details screen you can generate the RTMP link and then you can copy it. Next, open the DJI Fly app and select Go Fly. In the app settings, go to the Transmission section and choose Live Streaming Platforms. Here, press RTMP to paste the RTMP address you copied earlier. You also have the option to adjust the streaming quality. Afterward, click Start Live Stream. With these steps completed, you're all set and ready to live stream your flight.